Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sulman and you are watching my YT channel Astate. Today we are talking about Astate-Token. What is Astate-Token? This website basically based on Binance Smart Chain. So let's get the overview of this website. First, Astate Metaverse Coin. Metaverse Astate intelligent black hole for Metaverse. For that users around the world can experience the charm of all internationals metropolis in the virtual world. Join CEO is only on Binance Smart Chain. The community controls 100% of all the token. Next, we are talking about what is Astate-Token on BSC. Extra black hole Astate-Token. Astate-Token has been stealth launched. 100% of Astate-Token supply was seeded as liquidity. That means no pre-sale and no allocation to team members. Liquidity is locked in PancakeSwap and the ownership of the contract has been transferred to the burn address. No team allocation at launch means that Astate-Token is 100% community led. 50% of the supply has been sent to the extra black hole at launched. Next, unroggable. Liquidity is locked by renouncing the ownership of liquidity pool LP by sending them to a time lock smart contract without ownership of LP tokens. Developers cannot get liquidity pools funds back. Decentralized Astate-Token is community led and managed by volunteers since ownership has been burned and launch was completely seeded as liquidity. Next, tokens burn. Rising price floor. Tokens locked as liquidity in the PancakeSwap Astate BNB pool, creating an ever rising price floor. Next, whales on Astate-Token BSC. Whale shock safety. No wallet holds more than 3% of token supply and no transaction can involve more than 7 trillion tokens. Next, frequently asked question. How does work the Astate extra lock hole algorithm? The Astate black hole honored over 50% of supply at launch. This result in exponential growth of the Astate extra black hole and exponential burn of the token supply. At the time of this writing, the black hole has already grown to 30% ownership of the total supply. Next, Astate has Astate-Token been audited? Yes, an Astate-Token applied audited by Certic is in process. We also invite any reputable auditor to inspect Astate-Token BSC. Next, how do I buy a Astate-Token? Astate-Token is only available on Binance Smart Chain. To use Binance Smart Chain, you must configure your wallet to use the Binance Smart Chain network. Then you would need to own BNB tokens for gas fees. Finally, you would need to swap or Astate-Token on an exchange like PancakeSwap, but also you will can trade on exchanges very soon. So next is some logo of PancakeSwap and Smart Binance Chain. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.